Hi guys, Kelly here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making this super adorable Rae Dunn inspired mini birdhouse. It features a black and white checked bow and Cricut cut letters. This is a great addition to your spring decor collection. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. Let's get started. I got out my handy dandy white chalk paint from the brand Folk Art. I picked it up at Walmart. I couldn't help but get this mini wood birdhouse that I found at the Dollartree. I thought it would be so cute for a project, so I gave it a full coat and then let it dry. While it was drying, I wanted to cut the letters on my Cricut machine, so here I very quickly typed out the word tweet in the skinny bold font. I made mine about ½ an inch tall. If you guys want more of an in-depth Cricut tutorial, let me know. I'd love to make more videos about the Cricut. I cut the letters on 65-pound cardstock paper. You can also use vinyl if you have it, that'd probably be easier. Please take notice of my daughter's stickers that she decorated my machine with. It seems she got the crafting bug as well. What a sweet girl. So next I just take some Mod Podge and glue on the letters. So after that was dry, I got my black and white checked ribbon. I think it's called gingham ribbon, correct me if I'm wrong. I found this at Walmart as well. So I tied a simple bow and hot glued it on the peak of the house. I really loved how this turned out. Well, I hope you guys try out this simple birdhouse project. Thanks for watching. See you next time.